This is Andrea Kuipers with QGITS, and we're here talking with Ben from Easy Mill.
Hi. Hey Ben. I'm Anil from OCHackerz and also QGITS, and we're here with Ben, and we're here to learn a little bit about his new invention that he made. Ben, can you tell us a little bit about what we have here?
Yeah, sure. So this is a 3-axis CNC mill, and I built it myself this summer with a bit of help from my dad. We based it on this one Instructable, and I've got a link to that on my website. And so I'm trying to get it to etch a circuit board because that was my original intention. I didn't really give it enough room right there to have do very much besides a circuit board. But I haven't quite gotten it all configured yet, and I just finished configuring it to this point last night, so I didn't want to risk breaking it for today. And so it's got limit switches on each axis, and it's being controlled by this computer right here. It's got a parallel port stepper motor driver, and then it's hooked up to this Easy Mill, no, not Easy Mill, Linux CNC software. And so this, you can like input a circuit board layout or something, and then you can send it to this eventually, and it'll be able to print.
Nice.
But so far today, I've just been controlling it manually using the keyboard arrow keys, and I've been writing on the board a bit.
So I mean, this is real circuit board, like conductive with conductive copper on it.
It's copper on either fiberglass or plexiglass. I can't remember which. I think it's fiberglass.
So is essentially your goal to design circuit boards using this, or is it to write logos on there or graphics? Or
eventually, it's like I design the circuit board on the computer, and then I print it to this and test it or something. Okay. And then like if I ever wanted to sell that circuit board that I made, I order it from like a professional manufacturer. This is more. This isn't supposed to be used for like production. It's more for just developing it.
The prototype.
Yeah, exactly.
Excellent. Okay.
So, how long have you been into this stuff, Ben? You seem fairly young to be getting into this. That's fantastic. I'm like very, very, very impressed. I could never do anything like this myself. So, how old were you when you started getting into
electronics?
Yeah.
I'm not really sure, actually. That'd be a better question for my mom. But anyway, I started this project last winter. We just started getting parts and making the frame of it. And then I've been working on it pretty extensively this summer, like 2 days a week, full days for pretty much the entire summer. And then the last few days I've just been working on it straight to get it all configured and everything for Faire.
Nice. Well, it looks fantastic. Have you gotten a pretty good response here?
Yeah.
At Faire?
Yeah. I mean, like engineers are coming around and telling me what I could have done better, but they all think that it's really good, and yeah.
Don't listen to them. You're 15, you know, I'm sure that...
No, they're not criticizing me. They're saying what I could do better for next time.
For next time, right.
And I plan to make a 3D printer modification of something similar to this next summer.
That's fantastic, Ben. Wow.
That's amazing. Hey, can I just point out one thing really quick? This whole printer is made out of home DIY components that anybody could use at home. Like this pipe, like this plate, all of these like connectors is a springy cord, so that's a springy cord. So they're not actually designed to do this for this purpose. They're completely designed for some other purpose, right? But Ben managed to like really extremely well construct them and made it, hold it together, and I think that's amazing. I think that's how every engineer should start, because you know, if there's a kit that's already functional, like, you know, there's no learning curve and there's no space to innovate. And I think if it's your own invention, you should start off with a low budget, something really simple, use your home DIY components, be creative, and I think then you can be as good as Ben, and then your next version is going to be so much better too. So thank you, Ben, for that. Looks amazing.
Thank you very much. much, Ben.
Thank you.
Yeah. Good luck. Have fun at the rest of the OC
Thank you.
Maker Fair.
Yeah, good luck.
Look forward to
I look
seeing
forward
what you have next year going on.
Where can we learn more information about this 3D printer that you built?
Okay, so as I think I mentioned a few minutes ago, this is based on somebody else's design, but I changed a bunch of things. So if you go to easymil.boj.cc, that's the website that I've dedicated to this. And you can, it's got a link to the original Instructables. It's got the computer software that I used, and also the configuration files, and just a list of all the things I've changed.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks, Ben. Thank you.